in this video, I'm going to talk about practice problems for MTE1, questions number 4 and 5. So number 4, it says to express 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5 using exponent. So you might ask, what is exponent? Exponent is the little numbers that we are going to see later on to show how many times am I going to multiply by the same number or the number itself. So in this case, we see how many threes? We have 3 threes. So our base number is 3 because they are all threes, right? And the little numbers I mentioned before will be up here. That means I'm going to multiply 3 by itself 3 times. And now I have another number up here, which is 5. And how many 5 do I see? I see 2. So that means I'm going to multiply 5 by itself 2 times. And the little numbers on top of it, it's called exponent. And those represent how many times am I multiplying by the base number or by the number itself. This means 3 times itself 3 times and 5 times itself 2 times. And in between, we can just put multiplication. Notice that they are all multiplication, right? So that would be the answer for number 4. And for number 5, it says to use to do prime factorization for the number 180. So we know that prime factorization, all of our answers are going to be prime numbers. So prime number is numbers that cannot be broken down anymore. The factors will just be the number itself and 1. So let's see. What can we break 180 into? So I always tell other students that if you don't know any numbers that go into the number here, which is 180, if it's an even number, it will always go into 2. But in this case, we can easily know that 180, when you see a 0, that means there is always going to be a factors of 10. 10 times what equals 180? 18. Is either of them prime number? No, right? So I have to keep breaking down. I can break 10 into 2 times 5. Is 2 a prime number? Yes, so I circle it. Is 5 a prime number? Yes, so I circle it. And when I see both of them are prime number, then I stop. And now let's go to 18. What can we break 18 into? 2 times 9. Is 2 a prime number? Yes. Is 9 a prime number? No, so I keep going. 9 can be broken down into 3 times 3. Prime? Yes. Prime? Yes. So the prime factorization for 180, we can denote it as 180 is, I always write from the smallest number to the biggest number. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. And that will be your answer. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. That's it.